Hey viewers, welcome to my channel Learn English with Lola. In today's video, we'll be talking about monophthongs in English language. But before I go on, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Then please like, share and drop your comments in the comment section below. Now, what are monophthongs? Basically, a monophthong is a word that is derived from the Old Greek language. Mono means one and phthong means sound or tone. This means that when the vowel is spoken, it will have just one sound or tone. So we'll be looking at the first 5 sounds that are considered as the long vowel sounds. The first one is the long E. The long E is a long front vowel sound and it is produced with the front part of the tongue raised to a height just below the closed position while the lips are spread. Those 2 dots after the vowel sound indicate that it is a long vowel sound, which means it is prolonged whenever it is pronounced. The vowel E has many spelling symbols, such as the letters E, the letters EE, the letters EA, the letters EI, the letters EO, the letters EY, the letter I, the letters UAY. In the examples, you can see me, beep, eat, see, eep, leave, fetus, key, vehicle, machine. The next long vowel is the long R. The long R is a long vowel sound which may be described as a back vowel. It is articulated with the parts of the tongue raised between the center and the back. The lips are in a neutral position and the jaw is fully opened. The usual spelling symbols are the letters A, AR, AL, AU, EAR. For example, farm, ranch, star, palm, art, archon. The next one is the long haw. This vowel is a long back vowel, which is produced by raising the back of the tongue to a height where the jaw is between the half closed and the half open position. Here the lips are rounded and the usual spelling symbols are AL, AW, AR, OAR, OR, ORE, OOR, OU. For examples, saw, orc, door, floor, salt, call, course, board, more, stall, score. The next one is the long who. Who. The long who is articulated with the back of the tongue raised to a height just below the closed position while the lips are rounded. For instance, if you produce woo, the oral cavity becomes narrow and the lips are rounded while the back of the tongue is raised. The usual spelling symbols are OO, OU, UE, EW. For example, stool, wool, group, youth, blue, news. The next one is er. To produce this vowel, the center of the tongue is raised to a height between the closed and the open position, and the lips are neutral in shape. The various spelling symbols are IR, ER, OR, UR, EAR, OUR. For example, bird, girl, world, worm, burn, turn, service, earn, learn, heard. These are the long vowel sounds. In the next video, we'll treat the short vowel sounds, which are 7 in number. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. And please like, share, and drop your comments. Thank you for watching.